Hello viewers, welcome back to Apple Info YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store on iPhone. Let's start. Check your internet connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is working. Try opening Safari and loading a website. If using Wi-Fi, turn it off. And after some time, turn it on again. If using mobile data, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, toggle it off. After some time, toggle on. Update date and time settings. Incorrect date time may block App Store access. Go to Settings, tap on General, tap on Date and Time, set automatically on. Reset network settings. This removes saved Wi-Fi passwords, so reconnect afterward. To do this, go to Settings, next tap on General, scroll down to the bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, tap Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up menu, tap Reset Network Settings to confirm this process. In this way, you can easily solve this problem. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.